If you're getting the Premiere Pro error compiling movie error code 4, don't worry. In most cases, this is a fixable export problem, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to solve it. This error is usually caused by low disk space, corrupted media cache files, or a rendering issue at a specific point in your timeline. So instead of guessing, we're going to go step by step and narrow it down properly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Adobe Premiere Pro fixes and editing tips. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is clear your media cache. In Premiere Pro, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. Here, you'll see an option to delete unused cache files. Click Delete and remove the old cache data because corrupted cache files can absolutely trigger export errors like error code 4. After that, restart Premiere Pro and try exporting again. This simple step fixes the issue for a lot of editors. Next, check your disk space. Premiere Pro needs room to render and export, and if your drive is almost full, export errors can happen. Make sure your hard drive has at least 10 to 20% free space available. If your main drive is running low, try exporting to a different drive that has more room. Sometimes the problem isn't the project itself. It's simply that the computer doesn't have enough working space to finish the render. If the error still appears, the next fix is to change the renderer. Go to File, then Project Settings, then General. Under Video Rendering and Playback, switch the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This tells Premiere Pro to export using software rendering instead of hardware acceleration, which can help when the error is caused by a GPU-related rendering glitch. After changing this setting, try exporting the project again and see if the error disappears. Now, if Premiere Pro gives you a timestamp in the error message, that is a very important clue. This usually means the issue is happening at a specific point in the timeline. Go to that exact timestamp and inspect the clips, transitions, titles, effects, or graphics in that area. Try rendering that section, temporarily removing effects, or disabling clips one by one to find the problem element. Very often, one corrupt clip, broken effect, or heavy adjustment layer is enough to trigger the export failure. If you still can't export directly, try using Adobe Media Encoder instead. In Premiere Pro, choose Export and then send the file to Adobe Media Encoder rather than exporting straight from Premiere. Media Encoder can sometimes handle the render more smoothly and bypass issues that happen during a direct export. This is one of the best alternatives when Premiere Pro keeps failing at the same point. At this stage, if you've cleared the cache, checked disk space, changed the renderer, tested the problem area, and tried Media Encoder, there's a very good chance your export will work again. The key is to troubleshoot in order so you don't waste time chasing random fixes. Most error code 4 problems come down to either storage, cache, or one bad section of the timeline. So to recap, clear your media cache, make sure you have enough free disk space, switch to Mercury Playback Engine software only, check the timestamp where the error happens, and use Adobe Media Encoder if needed. Follow those steps and you should be able to fix Premiere Pro error compiling movie error code 4 and get your project exported successfully. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.